Hey everybody, it's Friday, just a little bit after lunch here. We have another breakdown today this week. This makes, I think, number 7. But I guess if you're not using stuff, it doesn't get broke. So it's smoking because the bearing has come out of this and it got hot, and I'm trying to get this assembly off right here. I have to use a torch to heat it up. We'll turn the camera around here and show you how we heat these up to try to get them pressed off here. Just stay tuned. What we're going to do, we're going to heat that up cherry red, get good and hot. That way it'll expand on that shaft. And then we'll just pull that thing right off. It's a tolerance fit with a keyway, so we get it good and hot, loosen all the old rust up. You know, who knows how old that thing's been on there for how long, but we'll get it warmed up here and get it off here. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Broken Channel. I did get the bearing in the conveyor, but the clutch was bad in it. So the conveyor was made roughly around 1920. So it's been in the family for a long time. So that's kind of why I'm like preserving it. I couldn't find the clutch anywhere, so I'm just making one. So I'll turn the camera around here so you can see what it looks like. All right, as you can see there, I've got a new hub in it. I just got done welding the hub. And now I'm cutting that out of a piece of plate steel that I have. And then I'll put that hub in my lathe, and then we'll turn that outer piece down till it's perfectly round and into a nice clutch. And then we'll face it with the facing part of on the lathe, and then we'll have the inner workings of the clutch to a 1920s hay conveyor. So I'll show you a picture of it when it's done. On that note, God bless, stay safe, have a great weekend, everybody.